Hello, we're going to solve a problem of algebra and compare two quantities. So from here we can see that an equation is given that shows the relationship between y and x, and quantity A is the x-intercept of the equation and quantity B is the y-intercept of the equation. So there are different ways you can solve this problem. As you recall that if we look into the equation of a straight line and represent it as this, then actually this part A shows the x-intercept and part B shows the y-intercept. Whereas if the equation is represented as a straight line, then A would be the part that represents the x-intercept and B would be the part y-intercept. So we can rearrange this equation to make it look like this. So 3y plus 4x equal to 24. I have just brought the 24 from right hand side to the left hand side, and I'm going to divide both sides by 24. So I get y by 8 plus x by 6 equal to 1. So this is actually A, which means the x-intercept. So the x-intercept is here 6. Similarly, this part is B, that is the y-intercept, which is 8. So from here we can see that quantity B is greater than quantity A. We can also do this alternatively. So for x-intercept, that is since it intercepts at x, here the values of y is always 0. So if we put y equal to 0 in this equation, then we can find minus 4x plus 24 equal to 0 or x equal to 6. And similarly for y-intercept, we can put x equal to 0 in this equation and we can find 3y equal to 24 or y equal to 8. So in this way also we can calculate the x and y intercept and compare the values. But in either cases the answer would be same, that is the quantity y is greater than quantity B is greater than quantity A. So for this the answer would be B, quantity B is greater.